Hey guys, welcome back to RC311 Studios, where we do affordable RC product reviews. The last one we brought to you was the Lamborghini Centenario. My little son Ellis has got another one, another favorite of his. What's he got? It's the Gear G-Maz, just like the Lamborghini Centenario, bought from the same manufacturer. It's a 1/16 scale this time. One of the RC Studios family actually recommended this, so like we said, we'd go out and buy them. This is exactly what we've done. The only unfortunate thing to this is that it requires a 9-volt battery for the hand controller, and it requires 5 AA batteries. Bit of a downside. Obviously from the Centenario, that it didn't require AA batteries in the car itself. It had a rechargeable pack. But just looking at this, extremely detailed. It's the McLaren P1 GTR, so based on the race car itself. Gear G-Maz seem to get it right all the time. The detailing is absolutely on point. Is it 2.4? Let's have a quick read around the box. It says now that it's 40 megahertz, so you could get some interference. Not sure. If you had different cars, it probably wouldn't get any interference. You could play multiplayer. That's all dependent on what the other frequencies of the other vehicles were. Looking back at it, it's got working suspension. I think the headlights work as well. Not so sure about the tail lights. Recommended age is 6+ years of age. So what we'll do, like we normally do, guys, give you a nice close-up of that. Extremely detailed. And like I said, that was brought to us, recommended to us by one of the RC311 Studio family members. So if you want to become part of the family, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell. That'll notify you when we're uploading new videos to YouTube. Comments massively appreciated, and we'll get back to all of you. Leave them in the comments box below. And yeah guys, let's get straight into it and bring you a little bit more info on the product and see how she runs indoors and out. All right guys, straight into an unboxing.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right guys, after delving into the box and doing a quick unboxing, this is actually what you got in the box. Beautiful looking, absolutely detailed. It's the P1 McLaren GTR. Obviously that's the race spec. It really does look the deal. So looking at the product itself, extremely detailed. On and off switch underneath. That's where we're going to drop in our AA batteries underneath. Get a Phillips style screwdriver to undo the safety screw. 2 clips, pull it down, and you drop the batteries in. Additionally, what we got the hand controller. It's 40 megahertz. Comes with an aerial. So all you'll do, guys, is you'll literally drop that aerial in at the top, screw it in clockwise, tighten it up, not too tight, and it'll be good to go. I think this is also, from what I can remember, a 9-volt battery in the back as well. So that literally safety screw, drop your 9-volt battery in, and away you go. Hand controller on first, car switches on underneath, on the switch, and away you go. Same type of thing with the trim. Tires are pulling to the right, trim it to the left, vice versa. Cool little feature, little rubber mirrors. First thing always on a you know, an affordable RC product that will go, well, the mirrors will snap off. So that's pretty cool. They've thought about that. And like I said, the stickers, well, they actually peel off. So no, so with the graphics, with the stickers, there, it's obviously been lacquered on top of it. So little fingers won't be able to pull the stickers off, or they won't come off, they won't wear off. This was 1/16 scale, so quite a bit smaller than the other products that we brought to you, but definitely extremely detailed. This little McLaren P1 GTR with that fixed chassis mounted wing looks the part. It really does. So guys, what we'll do is we're going to drop in 9-volt battery. I think it's 5 AA batteries in the car itself, and it'll be good to go. And we'll take them outside and literally put the car to the test, see what it's got. Perfect indoors because of its size. It may bat a little bit outdoors unless you've got a really smooth surface, and also maybe battle. The clearance, it looks pretty good clearance wise from the ground. It looks like it's got a fair bit of clearance, but then once again on like thick pile carpet, it might battle a little bit, and it might hinder the actual steering of the model due to the thick pile carpet. But quite thin pile carpet, I reckon it will rip around. Hard surfaces like kitchen flooring and that, it'll be absolute dynamite. Hard surface tarmac, it'll be spot on. Okay guys, back with the batteries. Like I said, it takes AA batteries, 5 of those in the actual car itself, and 1 9-volt battery. What I'm going to leave is a link in the description below, and we buy them in bulk. So these are, we got these off Amazon. I think it was a little over £10, and it's the double A's. There's 32 in a box. It's a massive, massive saving. So that's how we buy them. We usually buy 32 at a time, because like always, you know, look, we're down to the last 8 already. So let's quickly put some fresh batteries in the car. Phillips star screwdriver. Let's just take that safety screw off quickly. Right, so that 2 tabs, as you can see, pull the tabs, that'll take the battery cover off. Then we're going to chop 5 fresh AA batteries in the car. Extremely detailed car, I love it. It really is cool. Like I said, one of our RC311 studio family members, he suggested it, so thanks for that. And like I said, we'd bring you the review. Let's pop the cover back on, tighten that safety screw up, just nip it up. There we go. That's, the car's ready to go. Let's pop the back off, another safety screw. So just release that quickly. That's that loose. Pull the tab, that opens it up. Take one of the 9-volt batteries, also buy them in packs of 3. As you all know, batteries are quite expensive for what they are and how long they last. So just, if you take this, just pull the ribbon to one side, and what this is going to allow you to do is actually remove the battery once it needs removing. So you've got a positive and a negative. So your little end is positive and the bigger end is negative. So what we're going to do is we're just going to drop that battery in like that. That will then go over. That will enable you to pull the battery out when you need to pull it out later. So let's drop the cover back on. Doesn't matter if the ribbon's hanging out. We're just going to squash that in. Do up the safety screw to pull it all flush. Which we hadn't done, pushed it in far enough. And that will do up the safety screw nicely. Take it down just so it tightens up, and away we go. So with this model, push the on and off button once. That will bring up a red LED light. Then underneath the car, there's an on switch. Turn it to on, and you'll be good to go. I think this is only 2-wheel drive. Yep, so reverse and forwards and left and right, and obviously you can reverse left and right. Right guys, let's take it outdoors. Let's see what my little man thinks of it. One last thing, don't forget guys, open up the aerial for the extended range. Don't push it down from the top. Push it down from the bottom, pull it down, just so that you don't end up bending the aerial. Although this one feels quite easily to push down without it bending, quite solid actually. So let's go outside and put it to the test. How's that P1?
Good.
That McLaren. Oh, it looks quick. Man, flying on the carpet as well. Easy on the carpet. What? And it's got, what's it got? Headlights. Bring it towards us then. Oh, that looks amazing.
Also, it drifted.
Did it drift?
Yep. This is actually quite fast. I wonder who will win this.
What, that or the Centenario?
Yeah, I know. Let's maybe do a race inside.
What do you think of that one then, Ellis? The P1 McLaren? Yeah, for its size, because it's only 1/16 scale, isn't it? Yeah?
I think the Rambo's going to win this.
Yeah? Why don't you run it on there then? Why don't you run it on the tarmac rather than the brakes? Put it on there and it'll probably go good. See, that's pretty quick on there, isn't it? Right? Lambo's better though, it's got a rechargeable battery, hasn't it? Huh?
It's whining like you.
It is. That definitely won't go there, it's too small.
Huh?
It's too small to go up there, bud. Okay. No, because it's smaller, isn't it? It's a lot smaller. That's the problem with it, it's smaller. Good size though, look at it, it's quite nifty when it reverses. Right? Watch for the car though, eh? It's got tail lights.